Hi kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to L. Let's learn colors name. Black color, orange color, brown color, blue color, green color, pink color, yellow color, violet color, red color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. Green color, we are tracing letter B. This is letter C. Kids, we are tracing letter D. This is letter E. Kids, we are tracing letter F. A, B, C, D, E, F, pink color, G, blue color, H, I, J, K, L, G, H, I, J, K, L. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F for fish. G is for goat. H is for hen. I, ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lion. Thanks for watching kids. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.